Hey guys, I'm here to talk about the Jfa chargers and how it's used, one of the chargers from Jfa. First of all, the charger must be connected to electric system, to the main electric system with this plug, and these two plugs right here, the positive and the negative pole, will be connected to the battery of your car. This charger will keep the battery of the car in 13.8 to 14.4, oscillating to never overcharge the battery and never waste the oil battery of your car while the sound is playing, while you're listening to music or your car is parked. Okay, this source right here has an automatic bivolt, so when you put in an electric system which is 110 or 220, this charger will read in a digital way to switches automatically to its found the main electricity of your putting in. This source will always remain 14.4, keeping your battery playing at the high levels, keeping your amplifiers playing also, and this will gives you the maximum energy you need to keep your sound playing very well. Why this Jfa charger is the best charger in the market? It's because it can read in a digital way the system of your battery, and it can make it turns to energy in efficiency and doesn't make your battery to burn or cause any damages to your system of your car or your system project. Digitally, this source can make the configuration of your battery, and we have two lines nowadays in Jfa: the SCI mode and the red line mode. The red line mode we have the slow charge configuration, and here in the SCI we have the system of charging, the intelligent system charging, the SCI mode.